Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and let me show you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select General Management right here, and go to date and time. And now you need to switch off automatic date and time, and then you can set the date and time manually by yourself. As you can see, from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also pick the time zone that you are currently staying in, so just pick the region at first and then time zone if available. So this is it. That's how you can change date and time on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.